Running a service-based business involves juggling multiple moving parts: appointments, job estimates, customer communication, team management, invoicing, payments, and follow-ups. Without the right tools, it's easy for important details to slip through the cracks, slowing down your workflow and leaving clients dissatisfied. That's where Markate CRM comes in. Designed specifically for small to medium sized service businesses like cleaning companies, landscaping crews, HVAC techs, plumbers, and mobile auto detailers. Markate is an all in one software solution that helps streamline operations from first contact to final payment. It combines scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, customer communication, time tracking, and reporting into one easy to use system. In this video, I'll walk you through the key features and benefits that make Markate such a powerful platform for service professionals. And we'll break down why it's a top choice for those who want to grow their business while staying organized, efficient, and professional. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the job scheduling and dispatching. Markate provides a user friendly drag and drop calendar that simplifies job scheduling. So, whether you have one technician or a full crew, you can assign jobs based on availability and skill sets while making real time updates that automatically notify the field team. This reduces communication gaps, prevents double booking, and improves on time job completion with a clear, centralized schedule. Another key feature is the professional estimates, proposals, and invoicing. You can create custom branded job proposals and estimates with detailed breakdowns of materials, labor, and services. Once approved, instantly convert them into active jobs or invoices. Clients can view and sign documents online, speeding up the sales process. This improves your sales conversion rate with clear, professional documents while saving time by reducing manual data entry. Another key feature is the complete CRM for customer management. Market keeps all your customer info in one place: contact details, job history, communication logs, photos, and documents. You can add tags or notes, create recurring jobs, and search past work with ease. This builds stronger customer relationships, improves repeat business, and gives your team instant access to client details from anywhere. Another key feature is the mobile app for field technicians. The Market mobile app is a game changer for service teams. Field staff can clock in and out, view schedules, take before and after photos, update job statuses, collect payments, and even get customer signatures right on their mobile device. This keeps your team productive and informed in the field while improving accountability and transparency for every job. Another key feature is the integrated payments and accounting sync. Markate supports integrated credit card and ACH payments with popular gateways and syncs directly with QuickBooks. Clients pay right after the job is done, and your accounting stays automatically updated. This improves cash flow with faster payments, reduces administrative time, and ensures financial accuracy across your tools. Another key feature is the automated text and email reminders. Makes it easy to set up appointment reminders, follow up messages, and review requests. You can automate communications so your customers are always informed and engaged without manually sending messages every day. This reduces no shows, boosts online reviews, and saves hours on repetitive communication tasks. So, why is Markate a great choice? Markate is a standout CRM platform because it's tailored made for service businesses. Unlike generic software that tries to be everything to everyone, Markate focuses on what field service professionals actually need: speed, mobility, simplicity, and automation. Its intuitive design ensures that both office staff and field workers can get up to speed quickly without the need for heavy training or IT support. Its affordability also makes it appealing for small business owners who want robust functionality without the high price tag. With Markate, you're essentially replacing five or six tools with a single unified platform, which is CRM, scheduler, invoicing system, payment processor, team manager, and reporting engine. This efficiency translates to more time serving clients and less time on admin work. Additionally, Markate's customer support is responsive and dedicated to helping small business owners succeed. With frequent updates based on user feedback and a strong mobile experience, the platform continues to grow and improve alongside its customers. So, whether you're running a solo operation or managing a growing crew, Market adapts to your needs and helps scale your operations without sacrificing quality or control. So basically, if you're running a field service business in 2025, having a tool like Market isn't just helpful, it's essential. From the moment a lead comes in to the final invoice and follow up message, Market helps you stay organized, deliver better service, and grow more efficiently. Market doesn't just help you run your business, it helps you build a brand your customer can trust. With better communications, faster payments, and powerful reporting, you'll be positioned to scale confidently and stay ahead of your competition. So, if you're serious about taking your service business to the next level, Market is definitely worth considering. So, that's basically it for this video. So, if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.